In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table on Google Slides. Whether you're organizing data, building a simple schedule, or laying out comparisons, a table can make your slide clearer and easier to read. I'll walk you through the process on a mobile device, keeping it simple and precise so you can follow along without missing a beat. First, open the Google Slides app on your phone or tablet. Give it a second to load your recent files. Make sure you're connected to the internet if your presentation is stored in the cloud, so everything stays in sync. Next, open the presentation you want to edit. Tap the file from your recent list or browse your drive to find it. Once it's open, take a moment to look at the slide thumbnails on the left or bottom, depending on your device. Pick the slide where a table will make the most sense visually. A layout with enough open space will help the table breathe and keep your content readable. Now tap the actual slide you want the table to appear on so it becomes active. You should see a blinking cursor or selection handles if you tapped a text box. That's fine. Just make sure the slide itself is selected and ready for an insertion. At the top of your screen, tap the plus icon, which is the insert button. This opens a menu of things you can add. If you don't see it immediately, give the toolbar a tiny scroll. On smaller screens, the list can extend. From the Insert menu, choose Table. If you need to scroll to find it, go ahead and do that. When you tap Table, you'll see options to set the number of columns and rows. Use the up and down arrows next to columns and rows to pick the size that fits your content. For quick lists, a 2x2 can work well. For structured data, try more columns and rows. Don't worry if you're unsure. You can always adjust later. When your dimensions look right, tap Insert Table. The table will appear in the center of your slide. You'll see a clean grid ready for content. From here, you can tap any cell to start typing. If you need to reposition the table, drag it gently to where it aligns best with your layout. On mobile, subtle movements go a long way. If the table feels too large or too small, use the blue handles to resize it so your text remains legible. And that's it. You've inserted a table in Google Slides on mobile quickly and confidently, with a layout that supports your message.